We've done hundreds of hours of research and testing on vacuum cleaners over the past 5 years, searching for the best ones to fit all kinds of living situations and lifestyles. This guide will help you figure out the right kind of vacuum to suit your home, whether it's a small apartment or a big Victorian, covered with shag carpets or left with bare wood floors, or filled with kids and pets. Stay tuned as always. All the links about the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So if you want to find the best prices and more information that we might not get a chance to mention in the video, be sure to check it out. Now let's get to the video. One, Dyson V7 Motorhead. The best cordless vacuum for most people. Strong enough to replace a good plug-in vacuum for most carpet cleaning, with enough battery life for most apartments and some small houses. Two, Hoover BH50020PC Linx Signature Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. Good performance, great price. For quick pickups or good enough apartment cleaning, the Hoover Linx is the sturdiest cordless vac for the money.
Messes just happen. That's why the Hoover Linx Signature Cordless is the go-to vacuum for those everyday messes. Just grab and go to clean on hard floors, or even on carpet whenever you need it. The Linx Signature makes it easier than ever to keep up with the mess, no matter when it happens.
3. iRobot Roomba 614. Reliable, reparable, and good on rugs. This tried-and-true robot vacuum is much more durable and reparable than similar bots from other brands and is better at cleaning rugs too. It's a nimble navigator that rarely gets stuck, though it works best when it only has to clean 3 or 4 rooms at a time. Experience cleaner floors, all at the push of a button with the Roomba 614 robot vacuum. The patented 3-stage cleaning system is specially engineered to loosen, lift, and suction everything from small particles to large debris from carpets and hard floors. Dirt detect sensors alert the Roomba robot vacuum to clean more thoroughly on concentrated areas of dirt. Just press clean and Roomba gets to work. 4. Eufy RoboVac 11S. A quiet, nimble, affordable robot. This affordable robot vacuum is quieter and fits under more furniture than any others. And thanks to its nimble, persistent NAV system, it'll rarely need your attention. Five, Roborock S4. Super Smart Bot, great price. This robot vacuum can quickly and gracefully navigate large spaces, and it offers a robust and flexible barrier setting feature via smartphone app for a lot less money than anything we've seen so far.
Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.